Hey, good morning. This is David Montelongo. Today is the day that we've been waiting for a long time on this project. Today we are going to plaster and fill the swimming pool on one of my largest projects that I've ever been involved in. Been on this project for a year and a half, and basically we have remodeled, added on to, and rebuilt a 9,000 square foot home. And it's a masterpiece. You see a little bit of it behind me here. And anyways, we're finally to the point where we can, you see all the glass handrail, these upper decks. Here's the outdoor kitchen, outdoor patio decks, all the glass handrail overlooking the gorgeous swimming pool. Big day.